Are Jesus and the Father the same? Many people read John 10:30, "I and the Father are one," and think Jesus was claiming to be the same person as the Father or even the same God in identity. But is that what he really meant? Let's look at the Bible carefully and see how Jesus himself explains it in John chapter 17. John 10:30, "I and the Father are one." When Jesus said these words, the Jews picked up stones to kill him. They misunderstood his statement as blasphemy, thinking he claimed to be God himself in person. But was that his meaning? To find out, we must let Jesus define his own words. John 17:21-22. "That they may all be one, just as you, Father, are in me and I in you, that they also may be in us." In John 17, Jesus prays to the Father for his disciples to be one in the same way he and the Father are one. This oneness is not about being one person or one God in identity. It is about unity of purpose, mind, and will. If the disciples could be one in the same way as Jesus and the Father, clearly it doesn't mean they would all become the same being. It means they share the same mission, the same love, and the same truth. So when Jesus said, "I and the Father are one," he meant they were perfectly united in purpose and action. Jesus always did the Father's will, not his own. John 5:30, "I do not seek my own will, but the will of him who sent me." They are one in mission, not in person. Unity, not identity. John 10 and John 17 together make it crystal clear. Jesus and the Father are united, not the same being. The Bible's definition of one here is about perfect agreement, not same identity. So next time someone quotes John 10:30, ask them to read John 17 and let Jesus explain his own words.